Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video on what's on my iPhone, and I've done videos like this a couple times before. I've even done videos on what's on my Android, so if you want to check that out, definitely do that as well. But yeah, if you guys are interested in my channel, definitely subscribe if you're new. I do all kinds of videos from do-it-yourself projects to reviews to iPhone stuff, so definitely check that out, and I will talk to you guys later. And leave me a comment if you like stuff like this and what you want to see in the future. All right, let's go ahead and get started.